out the chicane. Clean start for both of them. Little tap there, but let's see what happens. Into initiation. Jerome gets into that.
Sorry.
All right.
Oh, someone, please start. Okay, drifters, are you ready for the Rafty party?
Here we go. Going straight into the first battle of the Drift Master bracket here at the Rafty party, International Drift Meeting. So here we go. Let's go straight into it.
Drifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
There we go, we got Nino leading and Jerome onto the main straight. Nino, taps the wall again. A lot of drivers are getting messed up on that part, messing up their initiation, but he makes up for it in clipping zone number 2. Clean run through there. Let's see if Jerome can catch up. Nino just getting to number 4. Jerome filling it up more, but losing proximity. Flicking to the last clipping zone across the finish line. Nino with a big error. Jerome not being able to catch up, but let's see how the judges decide on that run. We're gonna switch them up. Switching positions now. Nino will be chasing, and Jerome in the white car will now be leading Nino into the main straight.
Advantage to Chaser. Yeah! Let's see the second run. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go!
There we go, Jerome out the chicane. Clean start for both of them. Little tap there, but let's see what happens. Into initiation. Jerome gets into that.
Sorry.
All right.
Oh, someone, please start.
I think the judges saw that little tap and they're going to call for a restart on that.
One yellow card for the Sir Nino because he pushed the lead car.
So once again, the judges emphasizing a clean start throughout the whole run-up and initiation zone.
Okay, drifters, ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's see the start here. Jerome being more cautious. Out the gate. Nino going onto the main straight. Clean initiation from Jerome. Big angle there. Catches Nino off guard. Great initiation, Jerome. Going through clipping zone number 2. Transit. Nino dives in too early. Hitting Jerome, but Jerome keeps on going, maintaining angle, and taps the wall, but doesn't affect Nino that much since he's losing proximity. Diving one last time across the finish line. Nino trying to go door to door. Give these guys a round of applause.
Okay. Yung sa scenario na yun, dito pala, nag-call na kami ng crush si Jerome. Kaya after nun, hindi na kami nag-dance. So the winner is Nino.
Congratulations, Nino. Once again, everyone here at Robinson's Galleria.